Hey merch masterminds, it's Carter from Awkward Styles, back with another product review. It's been a while now since we talked about the stainless steel adventure tumbler, and this time we're going to be taking a closer look at the cold cup tumbler and compare it with the adventure tumbler. We'll go over its features, print area, and how you can customize your own on Awkward Styles and start selling. So let's get started. If you're new here, let me remind you that with print on demand, you can customize tumblers just like these and sell them online without worrying about keeping inventory, printing, or shipping. You can sign up for your free Awkward Styles account using the link below, which will give you access to over 150 customizable products and easy integrations with Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. Now, let's start with the cold cup tumbler. It is 6 1/4 inches tall and holds 16 fluid ounces and is made of BPA-free acrylic. This makes it a little bit shorter than the stainless steel adventure tumbler, which can hold 20 ounces of liquid. It comes with a straw, which you can attach here, and a twist-off lid. Another notable feature is that it's double-lined. You can customize it within a 9 by 5 inch print area. Now, as you can see, the BPA-free acrylic is a great printing surface that will make your printed design stand out and just has an overall great quality. And unlike the stainless steel adventure tumbler, which has a metal background, you don't necessarily need to add a white background to make your designs pop. This is a great addition to your online store and can make for a great gift for a coworker or for a family member. Now, let's talk about how you can sell this in your store. First, connect your store if you haven't done so already. You can go to Integrations from your dashboard, select the platform you want to use, and click Connect. If you want to connect your Shopify store, you can also download our app from the Shopify App Store, Awkward Styles Print on Demand. Once your store is connected, you can upload the tumbler listings directly from our mockup generator. When you're satisfied with your preview, click on Upload Product. You'll be redirected to a page where you can select which store you want to upload it to and fill in key details of your listing, including mockups, descriptions, markup percentage, etc. And it really is that easy to customize your own cold cup tumbler or the stainless steel adventure tumbler on Awkward Styles. That is all for today's review. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and let us know if you're going to be selling these in your online store and what product we should be reviewing next. Thanks so much for watching and happy selling.